na me kind no aside that in December community be am entertain say almost shut down for months wait because of eye internal decision be ebi no susu so on person mo
bia na bibia nko yie obaaku bi tirim no person ye bibia na internally o ma deal with it
sa pepe nti se ni de ye hasan ke ne na bi be kasa ba se no ne aposifo nso din komo ni nyina no eye bambonsem isan say I say ni the security no very strong very tight pa just bia kra maba be dri enye say bia wo mine ye som pa ene ye wa han mu say ya nka ebe din but no standing no ye besre say open say ne bia wo hwe na umma me di dwumadi sunsu bia me srew na fie na to data 5 series bi na wo de follow SOMPA o Facebook YouTube na face no anomade no Twitter is the almost X inti ho ni nyina no wo betimi ahwe wo ho na ne no so no wo kura betimi anya mu ahwe anya daje tie ahwe mu yie ese obi mpoko wo park yi so because I have to say SOMPA na ha be menya inti se o ba ha me say na bia wuntimi enya se bia bibi SOMPA na wo ba be wa ha me say a e ba se sanka wo de tenafie na monitor nkaka na no ya dia eno so ebetimi aboa bia ya maba betina yinso no bambo de na me kan no bambo for ya de papa eno o ma shede train on security no won o ma shede train on pa minim se
internal security no
minim se aposi for na kire wo mu se so da for na kire wo mu because onye wura mu pe etimi show de bia o ti bia se na wa dress on ta de ehemu na fi etimi wo se ni person si o yo bi o di mu enso bi kura no na sabi on shede ndi mu sa o na mu se na wasi fa fan wo etimi show bi but tag ne do kum mayen scan into tag na yes scan awa tino ha no mo ide fa bon sam de ya de a was through HSSA to us say idea. I won't be surprised when I'm can and say this conference will be the most peaceful and me pacho nanabi kasa.
Okay. Yemfabi tau. Right, I will say I na point teku na airborne komo University of Ghana sports complex.
They have boarded their buses and they are on their way here. We are expecting 5,600 delegates to be here. Again, with security, we are grateful. There's a joint security operations between the state security and our own party internal security. And it's been very fruitful so far. We've had a series of meetings with them, and so far you can see that security is very tight, and that is what we want to do. We are going to maintain security at this place. So far I can say that so good. The setup, everything is done. We are good to go. So we are just waiting for the delegates, and then we'll kickstart the conference. It's expected to we're expected to start at 8 a.m. But looking at the time, the traffic, I'm sure that is going to going into around 9, 10 thereabout. Hopefully by 2, 3 p.m. we should finish and we should be out of here.
Thank you very much. Nanabi,
yes, also I should say ebitmenya impenifoni bi sunanka yenuomo edi
mugusu amo pese mbenya mpenifoni bi no uko nyina na udi wenso fama mame ohwa ebase ya na market nsu ebumi pa party paraphernalias no manfo abo ne sesen ton.
Okay, eno so ya dia ekoso na ansa me di eno wonso nkomodie ebeba no Hero boy, I can say one so no sleep and drop off.
Party upstairs that they are going to obviously abide by all the protocols. I see you are in the mask yourself. Let's talk about the arrangement for this morning.
Thank you very much. So first of all, greetings to all your viewers and listeners. The conference is on today, and as chairperson for the Health and Safety Committee, I can assure you that we put enough measures in place. First of all, the majority of the delegates will be in this open air stadium. You know, to reduce the risk of catching the virus, it's good to do things in the open. And that's why we are adopting that approach. The few that will be in enclosed spaces like the media and the VVIPs, the recommendation is that be in a mask as much as possible. And that's why we are distributing and making it available. Media men, there are places where you have limited space and movement, and that can increase your chance of picking up the virus. We also have 6 medical stations stations across within and outside the stadium. We have 6 ambulances with emergency physicians, and I think that the preparation is well and tight. There are 2 main causes of emergencies on Saturday. The first one is people who come with low sugar, having not eaten, or they ate little, and by the time activity picks up, they are feeling dizzy and all that. So the advice is that no matter how busy you are, find something to eat. Whether you're a journalist, whoever you are, find something to eat. You might not feel the effect, but most people woke up early. So although it's, let's say, 4 minutes to 8 o'clock, because you woke up early, maybe it's like lunchtime for you. So find something to eat. And then secondly, the second most important cause is dehydration. Drink a lot of water. Anything that has fluid, whether it's water, coconut, anything with water inside, drink more. I think with these 2, we should be fine here.
Ultimately, the party is here to regroup, rebuild.
See, a year Okoboy, and Yatisena or Casa, or day a year in Shea, any a year a futu, a deco, a diama delegate, and it would be beer or beba a year to medium. Netofa Bomunu, a provocator kind, me chimwa. Or say, or best say, ubi beer or ba a year to medium. Or my so any idea a big yano. Ming amanamontu anasa problem di kambo kakrano HSE bebia mekubia no corridor bebia insu ewo ho no ma che so mama insu ben amanfo enum pontin koda no so be stress o ba didi esan se ni padomu adiyo no we bia kakra medidi ube wane se na fe eno so akwakofa aye insemfofo asanso ede aba na oguso kasa yensa sompeke no
to SOMPA FM resources or whatever. People have suggested find a way to involve past executives because they feel left out. So we are doing things that will make the party stronger. And with a strong party and with the grace of God and support of Ghanaians, we can come back to make sure that the country is put in a better footing.
But before I let you go, there's this conversation about I wonder if you have anything.
Well, I mean, I always say that when you're a scientist or you have a science background, anytime there's a proposal, the first thing you look at is what are the advantages, what are the downsides. The truth is that both top down and down up have some strengths, and both of them have a few issues. What I want to suggest is that as much as possible as a party, let's build some form of consensus. It's not every consensus you build in the formal meeting. Behind the scenes, let's engage those who are saying we want top down. What are their reasons? Those who want up, down up. What are their reasons? Pick the good ones and bring them together. It is in our interest to make sure that majority are happy or are with whichever approach you take. It is the first step towards victory. Because if you go by only the books or by whatever, and you have quite a significant memory and grumbling at the back, it is a sign of worry. So I believe in the wisdom of our leaders, and I think that they'll make sure that everybody's concerned. If anyone who has a proposal has a concern, just take the concern and see how you can have a major ground.
Thank you very much.
Era Bernard Okoboy openi awo no na woda eye apomudi ano e wodwumadi mu na yete se wokasa no na me se kan wo wo kasa mu no obrempom o kire se ya te se ebinu ka top down any up down ni nyina no eye asundwe any eye party no consensus a umbe so mu take decisions e beboa party eno any idea ihia ebi mu nso se omuka se okay yama wo mo soro no na afem se dia top down na down up ne so a omo kasa ne so no yemi so mbotae ni nti omo kasa bia na ne omo ka no eto aso esin near impenifon po esusu nti ni nyina no eye party no enkomodie mu a omo nyina enenam so omo nyina ba betwa hyiam anu se ya omo hwe aboa ama eye ntotoye ne bibia etimi akoso na futu ode ayen so eye medepa ne kyerese wo so obia ni di edie bi na di emane nyi wadin so wo ade nchie nti na eye kakra obehu ane se na fe akwa asefofo ede abento bia mpe bibindi na ebiem nso ose dwumedie sei ebiem ema eye awowo ni nipadom ni bebre na eba no obesresa nka futuo ene se 6 months ana no months na yede ama no hwe na fefa bi efa wona na wano cover wano so na beye bewie chi no enkonkofa eye bibifofo bi a entimi enfa ma ya intimi nkonkodu eye asundwe mu.
Okay. Nana before I obekofa Nana B ne Dr. Okoboy no na mebusa say na adwadie nso kɔ party ashanso de ya amanfo align ne app ton san wo nso fa no fa
mo eba ni say ya na ebinum afa bronya ho ewe crackers ye hwe wo mo ba ha fiti enrampo ana ebinum fi asebe mount so omniema a omo beton ewo eye ha no sei na ye me deni se eye party colors no ashanso de a enye ankonkre bi de se ebia ya ye obrempomfo ni na de apoatade mu na ye ton ewo mu so wo party mu ana ebia ya ye ataboatin infoni ye ana edumpo ye maami akusuaje na so ono so bibia ankoso wa ni obehunu party ashanso de se bia atade a ene wo hu akire kukudu osi eshi ebi wo ono so ya tro young patriot na fi eno so kanka ho ashansudie bi ti fe mofla eni eche ni nyina no eye edwedi amanfo eba bedi ewo eye dwumedie ase a omo se be fi anu se be kono edwedi betinya akoso apart from one kadie eni niema omo tonton no no pay me hu se omo amount wo mo a omo di nuane free eye abontin eba beton we say na mo so no ya manto wom ede omo akọ one side inti ansampo kura ubebu keva ubewura eye main stadium ono no bebia aposifo no ewo omo ye checkpoint no won sabenkum so eho no ni nyina no eye eniane enya okoma ubetinenya wache ubetimenya bankun nkuma ubetinenya dokon ne makoshito edi anase bibukura ubetinenya eye kubensuo edi afa oseso ana no die ene na momontin ubetinya to ni nyina bi na fi eja onso odi abo oseso inti ya dia omo hihye dwumedie na me so omo transfer plan yi pa omo transfer plan yi a omo make sure say obia ho enkonko to chema ana say obia ho enkonko ba sembia after and even before impo during this program.
Okay. Nana wabɔ adwuma no pɛi paa na me sure sɛ unyanka makom enti ma menya wo na sɛ na wakyerɛ baabi a wɔn ade aduane ba ya ya line ne wɔn app wɔn nkyɛn ya wie deɛ wahu wɔn ni bia wafe no obi nam kwan so a wɔba na wɔpɛsɛ kyenkyena wɔba bia kwan bɛn no wɔn fa so wɔ sɛ ne wɔkasa traffic yi na sɛ udru shiashi ho na bia ebi kwa wo kɔ madina na udru shiashi agye sɛ owura mu kɔfa bareleshi ho no na ade akwesi mu wana
no so ho but yemfa ne sɛ wɔn nim ɛyɛ achimota forest Wansempon no wobetumi afa ho no ma na waba besi ɛyɛ forestry commission ho no na waba bedu ɛyɛ game park enti after game park ho no back gate ewo ho no ma eno nso every University of Ghana school campus ni mu ankasa ho kra de anka ye short ho no very short no mpokra no ade a ebetiri aboa wo nti ni nyina no ade a impenifo ehwe aboa atoto niema ma bibia etimi akoso nti no se o fa saa kwantempon ti se bia chimota hono mo aba be fa game pa hono mo dia hono traffic wo fem kaka sense obekwa kofa Jubilee House abefa ope bia aba bedu opongro hono mo no traffic ne de ewo mu pa sene medi kan ebo yetifo anoba no.
Okay. Nana ma yemfa wonsi ha na ape bresu obi gu hanu mu ansa na bi afa no obi ba na wonhyɛ da hunu nia ekoso bebre ewo ho a ansa na meja wo no sima baako san fa bo ni nyina atofa na afi na ne wo so na fidie no ono nso 80 no ohunu ne ekoso University of Ghana Sports Complex wo
me da say mu amunim University of Ghana Sports Stadium no ewo opongro wonsa nifa so no eko East Legon inside ho no ena wonsa benkum no bia ya wutimi fa ediwura University of Ghana hyiapon no emu na wonsa benkum no traffic lights ne ho no no obehwe sa wonsa benkum kro na so no obehu se stadium kakraka obi ni mo obefu se bia school dan stadium na omasiesi ni sa no apart from say bia wodi particles ni ko be identify so okay hapote and omoye dwumadi no eno nso ade a ebetini aboa na fi wetini ehu biaye aewo nti eno ne de to fitin kan na wo ba be 37 ewuramu abefa ope bia aba opongro a ende enye yira kwankura na emom ofiti biaye bi ti se achimota na wo ba ubetini yusu achimota forest no no abefa achimota girls achimota school wall no no na fe wako akwakosi forestry commission quantum pon so no wako anim kakra wonsa nifa so no gimpa after gimpa no there is a road eno so no ye divide him plus eno no benkum nko nifa obeko straight no another entrance with me the University of Ghana campus one nti eno no ene ubeba straight sa wonsa ni benkum so no krona no oba be hu runabout no wonum ana o de empo kra no se bia we use Google map kra ubetimi abo University of Ghana Medical Center was sa kwantempon so a nti ne odu won kra enye obi ene be cho one obi sa ha misi ene dwumadi no ekoso
okay nana moni adwuma no pay na maminja ho na pe bresu obi gu anum ansa na honam no per baabi no ono nso wonwodwene ho kakra bi ebrepam no yebesa aba na asane na nabi kan se no nko mo hwe anim so mbe hyase be no nwotwe na so yese na traffic ni ade aba mu ya bie nkosi 9:10 ho no de no mo hyase sa abranu mu no yebesa aba bio na ya behwe sa so wona hyase no hyase so asane ne mate why right abusia na opoticheku na yene no ebo enkomo no wono ewo University of Ghana Sports Complex CA higher SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra na Shedinson say live ewo Facebook SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra safo kantaka dawroma wode yen na Facebook na so pa na YouTube no enso SOMPA FM live honso yegina mu den live from University of Ghana Sports Complex no NPP National Delegates Conference na yetwa ho mfoni de amawo no NPP National Delegates Conference womo eye no ne no na yetwa ho mfoni de amawo no na South American ka no yetim konwa so ya yenko ye de mpanin se yetim poano de na yese anwemu an yetie yebehwe ne yebeto fom bia ye de be mawo ne ye wa ha kusise wono beka so wo mawie na yenso ya sode sapepepe enetie me dia brempora na kwakwamfuma team ni solid e wo fie ha sei wo nyina obia wa ha abake wa ha apam wa ha obapa wa ha safu wa ha systematic wa ha obia wa ha bi ya nyina ye boa na sene ye share enetie na busia se wo Facebook ne so a uhunu very good safu me da sei we ye entrance wo no okwo anim kakra bi ansa na obedru stadium ho na nkasa no ya enim ho no de nyahu ya obehunu party de ma no no a ne gusu wo ho sa stadium no won the other side say nice one National Annual Delegates Conference 2025 MPP for no wo mo jiomudin enti free tete no mpanifo a ada party na no danko abuzi adombo wo munyina mfoni na dadam no mampane kufu de ni Ali Mahama kufu ado de ni baomia JB danko darocha mo personal ha ma me personal Peter la JT Odoi Samuel Odoi Skies hey na eseku na me pen no yanko anim ha yanko anim na Peter McManu omu nyina mfoni wa ha obeche bilamte Paula Foko Freddy Blay omu nyina wa ha we chairman for no na Stephen Ayensu intim obase ha nso a sanko achimame mo twen kakra o de ko kakra twen kakra ha na no hini to mu mfoni na wa ha yi ko jo so free yes John yanko anim afi kwabena je Japan John Boadu santo aso bio na emprempren Justin from Ponkodia Esquire wo nso mfoni na bobo ho saa no nti abusia se over Facebook na so a obe enjoy pictures na videos na etwagu ho no we live from University of Ghana Sports Complex na post no ha ma me ko chika safo scoreboard no post no ha ma me na me ade mo scoreboard na ye bobo no a e project scores ne ade wo so no ena omo de omo na bosso National Annual Delegate Conference omo ya de pan in fact omo so omo no IT no omo ya de pan nti I don't know my project na kama se sane South Africa yemo na yenhwe yensu picture bia na driver ni bia woti na ne ote trotrom ni ote taxi mu a bia o yusu kwachika krame mehu NPP USA person wa ha mo nti USA for na baaye no wo stand nie ha no betena ave yenko yanim mo ye yen kakra na wo Facebook na bia na wunyanya nchiremu ni yi a obenya nchiremu ni yi nti omo a designate stance ni nyina for obia nti se ofiri ye ne baaye a ye ne fo nkonya ho ofiri tamale ne baaye a tamale fo nkonya ho ofiri Canada ne baaye a MPP Canada wo nkonya ho MPP UK wo nkonya ho nti be bia ofiri baaye bia no onya afi na akobusa se safo ehfa na me nkotena dabi homa yesa provision nyina wo ho a uduru ho a bia opese otena bia ofiri baaye wo no nkofo baaye mbetimi abonde kama ni nyina nso e wo ho a bibia eye fine so far so good wo munya nhyase edie yenso ye bepe bresu obi de agu ye sen ase kakra na ye de nwom kakra nso agye motata e wase ye wie pe eye kakra bi a ye besan besom na periodic update ye de amawo enche abujafo nso ba be ka mensa wo fie ha sei na ya bon komo no kakra na ye seisa ho adwene na ne wo se wote no wonso watimi atiba meantime yemfa we emfa mumrasisia